Birds are such wonderful little freaks.
And frankly, I think you need some in your life.
I just don't think there's any animals that look goofier. Like this one. Actually, wait, this one looks kind of normal.
Oh my goodness.
All right, this Willet's seen enough. Get him. All right, Mr. Willet, I think you got him. I could really go for about 100 common mergansers right about now. Oh yeah, that's good. Wait, oh no, wait. No, this is, no, too many mergansers. Go away. Shoot. Here we have a spotted sandpiper. You can tell it's a spotted sandpiper because it has no spots whatsoever. They are incredibly interesting to watch, but unfortunately they just cannot break it down. Oh, no way.